2 mornings ago, I watched a friend finish a week's worth of boring admin in under an hour. And no, they didn't pull an all nighter. They taught a small program to do the small, repeatable stuff: clean the inbox, send follow ups, and book meetings. It felt like magic, but it's just new software that can act instead of only answering. You may have seen a few of the things people are talking about on Twitter and in the tech feeds. One is called OpenClaw. It's a tool you can run on your own laptop that lets a little assistant do things for you, from WhatsApp or Telegram, while keeping your data where you want it. People love it because it feels personal and private. Another is Perplexity's newest product. They call it Computer. Think of it as one app that can ask a bunch of smaller AIs to help complete a bigger job. Reporters say it's built for power users and businesses, and it's already drawing a lot of attention. That all sounds great, but there's a flip side. Some of these tools can be powerful in ways that cause headaches if we are not careful. Researchers and companies have warned that running powerful assistants on normal machines can create security and privacy problems. And there have been stories of tools being used to scrape websites or bypass protections. So it's thrilling, yes, and it also needs care. So what should you do if you're curious? Try 2 simple things this week. 1. Pick a tiny, boring task you do every day and see if a tool can take it off your plate. 2. Write down clear rules for it. What it should never do, who gets notified, and when you take over. That way you get the benefit without the surprises. If you want, I'll make a short follow-up showing a real 90-second demo. I'll set up one of these assistants and show it planning a week of posts and booking a meeting. Hit like if you want that demo, and share this if you know someone who spends too much time on tiny tasks.